let's study diaphragm. So this is diaphragm. This is xiphoid process. This is anterior surface of the diaphragm, xiphoid process. This is central tendon of diaphragm. This is lateral arcuate ligament, medial arcuate ligament. This is median arcuate ligament. This is right crus of diaphragm. This is left crus of diaphragm. Right crus of diaphragm extends till L3, while this left crus of diaphragm extends till L2. Now let's discuss about its major openings. So remember only one mnemonic like VOA, Voice of America. So first opening, this is the first opening. This is V, means vena cava opening at central tendon. This is O, that is esophageal opening at the muscular part of the diaphragm, while this is aortic opening, which is not on the diaphragm. This is behind the diaphragm, between this right and left crus. So this is T levels are T8, T10 and T12. What other structures pass from this opening? So vena cava opening se even inferior vena cava, right phrenic nerve and esophageal branch of left gastric nerve. This is esophageal opening, and here esophagus passes from this. Along with that, vagus nerve passes from this. The next is aortic opening. Aorta, abdominal aorta opens from this. Then azygous vein and thoracic duct. Azygous vein is single. This is not paired. This is unpaired. So only one azygous vein passes from this. No right and left. Okay. There is another thing I have to discuss. Azygous vein. This is azygous vein. There is one hemiazygous vein which passes from like this and it meets here again. There is one accessory azygous vein which meets like this. So this is actual the azygous vein ka structure. So now let's discuss about its minor openings. So there are five openings. There are names also for one. So this is a xiphoid process, and these two are superior mesenteric artery. Remember, superior, and these are called as foramen of Morgagni. Okay, foramen of Morgagni. Now next is this nerve passing from the right crus is splanchnic nerve, and splanchnic nerve passes from both the right and left crus. So this is another opening. Then another content pass from this left is hemiazygous vein. Okay, hemiazygous vein also passes from the left crus. So there are two structures passing from the left crus: splanchnic vein nerve and hemiazygous vein. Then the next structure is this. What do you think this is? This is medial arcuate ligament, and these are sympathetic chain of ganglion. These passes beneath the medial arcuate ligament. Remember this. Next is lateral arcuate ligament. From this, these three structure passes, that is subcostal artery, vein and nerve. Okay, subcostal. Then we have covered all the major and minor openings of the diaphragm and the structure of the diaphragm. Phrenic nerve supplies diaphragm. Okay, phrenic nerve की root value है C3, C4, C5. This phrenic nerve passes from like this from the inferior vena cava. This is heart. Suppose this is heart, then this right side comes from this and left side. So inferior vena cava and the right side of the phrenic nerve passes from vena caval opening. Thank you.